Welcome back or welcome to Rubbish Media, and here we have Turnout Tuesdays at Mountain Motorsport, Conyers, and in this section of the video we have the Burnout contest. This contest will feature 3 Rykers and 3 sport bikes. Please subscribe, like, and share. Now let's get on with the video. First we have OC Ryker. Watch for the part where he pops his own collar. Next we have Mo Ryker ATL with the tuned up 900. Next we got drip, 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 drip on the 900 as well. I'd like to show you Can-Am Blue, but she smoked it out so bad you can't even see her. I didn't even get any of her. The next few are a couple of two-wheel contestants. And the winner is Can-Am Blue. Like I said, she smoked it out so tough I couldn't even see her when I was recording.
Yeah,